Let's get dry.
As you can see, we got an STI over there, big turbo truck, turbo Civic. A bunch of high horsepower Mustangs, supercharged, some twin turbos. Is that not crazy? Listen to this motherfucker. Loping away. That's a cop car. Man got the parachute on the back. Hi guys, as you can see, we got an STI over there, big turbo truck, turbo Civic, action. Look at this man, he got the cage in this bitch. Spinning like a motherfucker. Laptop on the seat. We about to get action on that. Otherwise guys, a bunch of high horsepower Mustangs, supercharged, some twin turbos. I stepped out here today by accident. By accident. So we're in the action. We're gonna get moving. We're gonna start crushing. That thing's sweet. Listen to this motherfucker. Loping away. Man got the parachute on the back. The Mustang pulling out right now, I was told, you can see the skinny tires on the front. That's a 9-second car. Great races in. He runs it back every time.